Hello everyone, this is Red with RedDragonLeo.com. It is October the 18th, Thursday, 2012. We have an FOMC meeting coming up this October the 23rd, which could give us our October surprise. What am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about the fact that this October 23rd, 2012 happens to be another Ritual 11 date, and many of the past highs in the market have been on Ritual 11 dates. Couple that in with the fact that we just had or right in the middle of a Legatus pilgrimage where these gangsters meet and decide on how they're going to screw the sheep, steal our money, being over with this Sunday the 21st, and the fact that these gangster pigs known as the Illuminati or New World Order will be in Rome, Italy, where they can funnel all of their stolen money from us sheep through the Vatican secret bank accounts that where you don't have to have anything but a number and a key, no taxes, no nothing. It's just pure money laundering is all it is, and that's what these thieves do. They hide in this organization, folks, called Legatus. I did not discover this. You can give credit to Reinhardt over at Enterprise Corruption for discovering this and predicting the 2008 crash exactly to the date. He basically predicted a month in advance based upon or many months in advance actually, based upon the Legatus theory that these gangsters meet here and funnel all their money and then they debase the market. Well, here they are, October 14th through the 21st. They are now in Rome, Italy. So it's a hop, skip, and a jump over to the Vatican secret bank where they can funnel all their money and then they can let the market tank. Now, I do not know if that's exactly what's going to happen. I only know that it's common that they have big turns in the market after these meetings because they get together and decide on how they're going to screw us. So, what will it be? Will it be a stock market crash, or will it be a dollar devaluation? There is still a possibility that it could be a dollar devaluation, as Lindsey Williams speaks of. Notice the fact that October the 10th through the 21st is 11 days. It is 11 days long. I fully expect this one to be a very, very, very important meeting. Something big is going to happen after this meeting. And I don't know what it is, but I'm thinking that the market is going to tank. Now, Lindsey Williams was told by his insider source, an old man that is in his 70s, that is trying to come clean for all the sins he's done to humanity and all the money he's stolen, trying to save himself to go to heaven, I guess, if that's what he thinks and where he thinks he's going. We all know that he's not, but in any case, this guy's been telling Lindsey, information, but he's only one man, only one insider, and they very well could be lying to him as well. They apparently told Lindsey that, and he told it in this video right here. I think it's a video. Basically, that there will not be a dollar devaluation before the end of the year, before January the 1st. And he said that there won't be a financial collapse. But do understand that when Lindsey says financial collapse, he is referring to the Great Depression too, and we're talking a 70-80% drop in the stock market, a 4-year bear market that I still think will happen after we peak out in 2013 in July or August. After that, I think it's 4 years of pretty much 1929 to 1933 style, only worse. But between now and then, we could have a nice scare in the market. Today, we had some scares in several stocks, some flash crashes. Google got halted. These insiders knew that Google was going to have missed earnings. And if you pull up Google and look at it, you can see, let me get the chart here for you, what happened with Google to date. Now, do notice that, and here it is, it dropped from 755 all the way down to 680, a mini flash crash. Do notice, folks, that these people are so crooked. They got short the day before, and many of the retail people who were going to get short today, because the Google earnings were going to come out tomorrow, these gangsters went ahead and did not give these people a chance to get short by the end of the day. There would have been many people that would have got short today by the end of the day. I was speaking with Anna, Everett, Hot Option Babe, my personal close friend, and she, said that if she would have known and paid attention that Google was having earnings tomorrow being announced, she would have went short today. But by the end of the day, but they did not allow the people to do that. Instead, what they did was they intentionally released the bad earnings today, a day early, claimed it was by accident, and did that so that us retail bears could not get short into that. And also Chipotle, I believe, also was another one who had basically what you'd call a flash crash moment. So the writing here is on the wall. To me, everything is pointing to a big move down. They put this out, this print right here, on a friend of mine's cell phone. I didn't get it, and I posted it quite some time back. As you can see here, if you will notice, the actual date here says 7/19 that they showed this fake print. I did not get it, but I've got a lot of followers out there like Mick, who sent me this. So thank you, Mick, and others who capture these things for me. Together as a team, we do much better. And you guys keep your eyes out and send me any fake prints that you see on any device. I do appreciate it. I'll post it for everyone. But you will notice in this that 7/19 just so happens to be an 11 date. Why? Because 1 plus 9 equals 2. I'm sorry, 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Plus 7 equals 17. And then plus the year 2012. That's basically 2, 0, 1, 2. That's a 5. So 5 and 17 is 22. That's a 22 date. I have noticed that lots of times they put these fake prints out on 11 dates. They put them out on 11 dates, indicating they're real. Then you can also, of course, look at the fact that it's the 6/6 here for the mark of the beast. You'll notice that as well. So sometimes, it's not always that way, but I find it quite a lot. Okay, these things are. Let's see here. Let's stop some of this stuff. Sorry here. Anyway. So this is very, very important that this did happen. So it's very possible this is where they're going to take it, and then possibly after that they do a dollar devaluation. This would be my speculation, that they would do a dollar devaluation. You might say, well, when would they do that? Well, if they did it real quickly, maybe they could do it this year. Do the dollar devaluation this year and fool Lindsey and lie to him. Otherwise, if you just go by the Legatus theory, then the next date for a major turn in the market would be February the 7th through the 9th, 2013. So you would think that that date, one of those dates there, could be either another significant top or a significant bottom in the market for another annual summit. But the summits don't seem to be as important as the pilgrimage. The pilgrimage to me seemed to be more important for whatever reason. That's when they really get together and do this. 11-day pilgrimage ending on the 21st. You open up October the 22nd. The 22nd by itself is a daily, an 11-day, but just because 22 is an 11, just like 33, 44, 55, etc. They're all master numbers divisible by 11, so they are 11s. But when you add up all the digits in the in the month of October, then the only one that actually adds up correctly is 1023-2012. When you add up all those digits, you will get 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 equals 11. Sorry. Come here, where I'm at. 11. That's why the 23rd is so significant, folks. It is very, 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 very important. Then you got Bernanke speaking at the FOMC meeting on the 23rd. Starting on the 23rd and 24th. What could Bernanke say that could cause the market to tank? Well, just speculation, but I'm thinking he could hint. All you have to do is hint. He wouldn't even have to say that there's going to be one. All he's got to do is hint at a possible rate increase on the interest. And that would cause the market to just have probably a little flash crash. Now, one of the readers of my blog, Washboard Stocks, is basically said that he is long and strong, and so there is another possibility. He's got some sources as well, and he thinks that there's going to be a surprise, but that the market's going to go up in a huge Wave 3 rally. If that happens, I believe gold will go up, and I believe this will happen from a dollar devaluation. So there's still the possibility that this October surprise could be a dollar devaluation. If that happens, you would want to be long gold. So my thoughts are the best way to play this position is to go long gold tomorrow, Friday the 19th, just in case something happens over the weekend that is unexpected, like a bank closure and the October surprise being that dollar devaluation. If that happens, you're going to see the dollar just literally skyrocket. Gold skyrocket. The dollar tank. The market, I have no idea. I don't know how it's going to take it, up, down. The only thing I know is that gold would go up huge. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out here was right here in this screenshot. This is very weird to me that somebody purchased 20,000 calls today at the 190 strike price on GLD. Now, gold is right here. You can see the little difference in the color of the line, 168 in that area. So why would you purchase that many unless you think that the market's going to go up huge? I don't think that it was somebody selling it to hedge their bet, because you don't sell calls that far out of the money to collect the 4-cent premium on this. If you're a seller, you wouldn't go sell 20,000 of these to collect the premium if you think the market is going to go down, or gold. If you think gold is going to go down, you'd sell something like right here, the 170 calls, to collect the $2.08 and let gold go down, and then you keep the $2.08 because you're a seller of that call. You don't sell something so far out of the money. So my thoughts are there were 1 or 2 or 3 or just several big buyers right here that bought this 20,000 calls, and then there were many sellers, maybe hundreds of sellers that just didn't know that were just selling. So to me, everything is pointing to a huge move in the stock market coming this next week. My date still says that I think it's going to be the 23rd, because that's a Ritual 11 date. I don't know what's going to happen. So the way I'm going to play this is to be on the safe side. I'm going to put a wild card throwaway position long on gold. I may very well even go in and buy some of those 5-cent 190 calls. It's throwaway money. It's not something that you expect to make money from. It's only there in case they devalue the dollar. If they devalue the dollar, those 5-cent calls are going to go to $1, $2, $3. They're going to just go up huge, just literally like that overnight. If not, then I'll be still looking to get short in the market with the other much larger position, possibly 2/3 or more. I just have to weigh that out on Monday. So I'm running out of time, guys, so please visit the blog and post comments about it. I do appreciate everyone stopping by and comment, and then good luck to everyone. See you guys.